been southbound, I've been hellbound, riding on the midnight train. Going too fast now, think I ought to slow down, standing in the pouring rain.
Boom, baby! Woo!
Bottle of whiskey leaned upon an oak tree, black label calling my name. Put the drink down now.
Hey guys, Tony and Tristan here. Welcome to another episode of Zero Duck 30. You know, there's a lot of people out there that I see online constantly saying, oh, I'm gonna go hunt Arkansas. Oh yeah, well, guess what? We did it. And we got our butts kicked hard. We're gonna show you the whole trip, all of it. And for those of you that are thinking about doing it, you need to watch this video. I got a lot of respect for those guys. We met a lot of great people out there, met some great wildlife officers as well, and had a heck of an experience. But we're gonna show it all to you here. Stay tuned. Exactly. This is the WMA we're checking out today. What's up?
Day one of our scouting.
You're in Tennessee?
Yep.
Alright, let's see if we want to go out.
We're getting ready to scout some WMAs, and we're basically just gonna go in glass and see if we can see birds, and then try to get as close to places we can just walking, so we're not disturbing anybody's hunting or anything. But later on, after people roll out, if we can identify a spot that's got birds, we're gonna try to hone that in a little bit more on the boat potentially. So day one.
We want to go left to right. I guess this is.
This is beep 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 beep. We're out here at a certain WMA here doing some scouting. We're just sitting here on a dike listening, and we don't want to screw up anybody's hunting, so we're just sitting here and listening. And probably about 10:30 we're gonna put a boat in the water and try to identify some spots, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so we are at, I guess, what, day 3 here?
Day 3.
Yep, and we got our ass kicked yesterday scouting all day long. We walked 8.5 miles and put a lot of miles on the boat too, so but we're doing a guided hunt today, so that should be fun, and we're getting back to the public land tomorrow, so holy cow.
Do a pan.
Well, as long as there's not, he ain't too apart, it'll be good.
You get your first. Here I just said, you're not going to get an easier shot than this, Michael. It's going to be a layup.
Yeah, we're all recording too.
Hey, I said he's not going to get an easier shot than this. It's going to be a layup.
Yeah.
And I'm talking about the spooning.
Yeah, and this other one comes in.
There you go, dude. First shot.
One down.
That's the first one, huh?
Yep, that's it.
It don't look bad. It's pretty. I love their bills.
Yeah, that's cool looking.
Yeah, but that one come in just
Let's see.
out of nowhere.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Not at all. Yeah.
Yeah, he's got some good look. That's a good looking. Yeah.
Pretty.
There's duck right here.
There's a duck right here.
Right here. Shoot him. Wait.
Done.
Good ball.
Who got him?
He's done.
Michael shot first. Hey guys, Tony here, Zero Duck 30. So guess what we're doing today is Zero Goose 30. We are going out in the middle of a cornfield and hunting some speckle-belly geese and hopefully some snow geese as well. There's been thousands of them flying around here. So we're out here with a private guide. We decided to take this opportunity to get to know some locals and learn a little bit about goose hunting. And it's our first time. There's a coot. Coot's unlimited, baby. And Tristan and Michael are in the truck with our guide. I think his name's Colin. His name's Colin. And we'll see what we can do. So stay tuned. We get some circling. It could be getting really crazy.
So, we got Casey's Pizza. If y'all know what Casey's is, it's legendary. But it is a gas station, but legendary gas station pizza. So here we go, Tony Vogel review.
So if you're not familiar with Casey's Pizza, it's probably because you're not from the Midwest, and we are originally, and it's something that we crave. And so here's your Casey's Pizza review here in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Temperature is great. Sausage, unbelievable. Cheese, texture, perfect. Pepperoni. I don't know if I can deduct anything. We're gonna give her a 10. Yep, first 10 here at Zero Duck 30.
Boom. Oh, really?
What's that?
What is the date today?
The date today is
The 30th, December 30th.
December 30th. So we are here in the legendary Arkansas.
It's December 30th, and it's Wednesday, and we got about, what, a 2 mile walk?
Yep.
2 mile walk in on public land, and
We're dropping the boat
dropping the boat.
because we can get to where we need to go quieter,
Yep, and faster, so.
faster. So we're gonna walk it in. It's gonna take some hard work, but we're not afraid of hard work at all.
Yep. So we're running, let's see, we got 12 dozen of these Dakota Decoy flocked head mallards. They're pretty badass. You spin their heads and stuff. We got a jerk rig system it's called the Ultimate Spreader System, but I'll show you guys a video of that later. So we'll have another 7 decoys on that. So I think we're gonna be running about 12.5, a little over in that. So
And we also got our custom made Duncan Dan.
yeah, we call it Duncan Dan. It's a it's a custom rig that makes the duck look like it's feeding. So 0 duck 30, baby, ready to make it happen.
Hey y'all, Tony here, 0 duck 30. So I've been out chasing that green. Yeah, it's raining like crazy. Walked in 2-mile walk, Tristan, myself, and Michael. Anyway, we were able to get 3 wood ducks today. So we got 2 drakes. I got a drake, Tristan got a drake, and Michael got a hen. And we probably should have had a couple more, but overall not bad shooting. The mallards were high in the air, and we couldn't get them to come down. They were heading out to rice fields or something. So anyway, stay tuned tomorrow. We're gonna be hunting in the rain, getting our asses kicked. And that's what we do here at 0 duck 30. All mallards feeding. They just jumped up. There's still a bunch over there on the ground. Doing a tornado. Look at them all. Our second to the last day. We've done exactly what we planned to do. We've been out here busting our butts and scouting, and we've walked over 30 miles in the last 3 days, and we finally found a good hole that had, I don't know, at least 50, maybe more than that, wood ducks. So far the mallards have been sparsy, so they've been flocking to where the wood ducks are, so that's what we're setting up on. We got group set up about 150 yards that way, another one about 200 yards or so that way. It should be good. We got a beautiful hole. Basically, the ducks are gonna fall down into here. We got a spread set up. About a dozen decoys out here, plus our decoy spreader system. And we got high hopes. So stay tuned. You see Right here, Zero Duck 30, baby. Smoked. Smoked him. Smoked. Just smoked another one. I smoked one right here. I smoked one over there. Go get his ass. Good shot, Mike. That was a long shot. Yeah, smoked him. I got mine too. No, that was yours. Yeah, mine's over here. Oh, I just smoked that one. Did you get one too? I thought that was yours that landed over there. No, mine landed here. All right, Tristan, why don't you give us a little breakdown of what's going on right here?
Well, by 7:30 we had our 9 wood ducks and a squirrel, so we're set on that, and we have till 12. And what time is it now? 8:44. So we have another 3 hours or so to try to get the rest of our limit. So hopefully we can get some mallards in here.
Let's do it.
We already got a 3-man limit. Let's shoot these guys.
So we're here on the last day of the hunt. Tristan and I, Michael went back yesterday. We were able to get our same hole that we had yesterday, and Lord willing, if the mallards are flying today, which I hope they are, we'll be able to scrape out a couple. The wood ducks ought to be crazy again. It was nuts yesterday, so we expect that to get crazy again today, but hopefully we can close it out with some greenheads today. Stay tuned.
Right at you, Dad. Where you at? There's 2 between us.
Midnight train, going too fast now, think I'll slow down, standing in the pouring rain.
in the hole.
Bottle of
At you,
whiskey,
at you.
leaned upon an oak tree, black label calling my name.
Keep doing it. Do it. However much, just go. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta keep going.
We've been here all week and have yet to have a mallard come anywhere close to us. And with 6 minutes left in the entire trip, the mallard lands like 150 yards away and starts quacking, but wouldn't come over. So that's our luck. But at least we went out with a little bit of something today. It's small game season, so we got a couple squirrels, and so there's them, and also got 2 hens. So that's a wrap. That's a wrap for Arkansas. It's been real.
Okay, so let me tell you, first of all, let me look at the camera. All right, so let me tell you what's going down right now. So Tristan and I are here on the last day of the hunt.
What's up?
And so Tristan took 2 female wood ducks, and we both got a squirrel apiece. And I had shot 2 ducks today, and one of them we definitely couldn't find, which we found a ton of feathers, so I don't know what happened to that duck. But then I had shot one that we watched fall probably 100 yards away. So before we left, I told Tristan, I said, hey, let's go give everything we got to find this wood duck.
I'm glad
So-
we did.
Daddy, oh, I'm not looking at the camera. Daddy got his wood duck today, so I didn't get skunked. So anyway, that wraps up our trip, and it's what a great way to end it. The other thing that I'll tell you that's really hilarious that we did not, oh wait, we did get it on video, so maybe Tristan, if you can play a little bit of that sound clip. But you know, we was up here to chase greenheads, and we didn't do a very good job of it. They weren't at the WMA area that we were in. We had some motor problems, so we had to rely on walking in, which in how many days would we walk?
48 miles in 7 days. Almost 7 a day.
So yeah, and we were having a blast shooting these wood ducks anyway. So, but here's the funny thing. So 6 minutes before shooting time ends today, Tristan and I are sitting there, and all of a sudden we hear whack, 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 whack. This mallard landed about 100 yards away from us, just like to tell us, go home.
Yeah, pretty much.
So anyway, that's the way we wrap it up here in Arkansas.
And that's why you do not give up on a wounded animal, or an animal that, you know, you thought you might not have got. You definitely got to go look for them. So.
That's right. That's right.
So as you guys can see, going up to Arkansas and thinking you're going to get limits at greenheads isn't exactly what's going to happen. I mean, we walked 40-something miles in 7 days, and we did everything we could to try to get to them on public land. And I mean, if we didn't get to them, I mean, I don't know what else we could have done, but it was a great opportunity, and I'm definitely thankful for it, and thankful for everybody we met up there. But so if you guys are planning on going up there next year, definitely plan on spending a few days scouting. Take your time, research, and yeah, you got anything to add?
It was every bit as difficult as you can imagine. I mean, it tested us physically and mentally. I mean, there was times where we just, honestly, we wanted to quit and just go home. But we also knew that we had to put our time in. And, you know, I love an analogy I heard on a Dr. Duck podcast the other day. Billy was talking about going somewhere, and you go there and it's like a new department store. You know, the first time you go, you just think all this great stuff, and you really don't know what department and where it is, and you figure that out after multiple trips back there. And I really saw that. You're going to see episode 2 of Arkansas coming out, and you're you're going to see a lot more greenheads. So, but you're also going to see us get our butts kicked some more. So thank you for tuning in. Tristan, you got anything else to end with?
Just make sure you guys are liking and subscribing and sharing to your friends and family. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook at ZeroDuck30 and ZeroPuck30, and we're also on YouTube, obviously. So hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys for tuning in.
Real good, saw you in a review, smelled you from a mile away. You only had bad news, never should have told you.